ठीक है ना। सीआरपीएफ एंड बीएसएफ, सीआरपीएफ एंड बीएसएफ,
Ama sa ka dingo? Lag. Ama sa ka dingo sa? Chong update chong. Update lo mana lag ka ni. Ama sa ka dingo sa? Ama sa ka dingo? Hey, nong ka dingo ka ni.
separate administration, separate administration, we want separate administration, we want separate administration, cookies or people
Ito din mo ta bang ka.
cookie people want separate administration, cookie people want separate administration.
No.
Today, Cookie community protest at Jantar Mantar. We have with us, Mr. Sir. What is your name?
Yeah, my name is Pauja Khub Goite and I'm the president of Cookie Students Organization Delhi and NCR.
Why you are coming here? What is
Okay.
the reason?
Yeah, this is a very urgent or emergency based protest. This is a protest against the illegal land occupation by the Meiteis
Okay.
through Central Force. Central Force has fallen
You are
scapegoat.
making a big allegations on
Yeah.
the Central Force.
Yeah, Central Forces to be specific, BSF and CRPF. They have illegally occupied our land. They have fallen scapegoat of the state CM.
But the whole Manipur or whole India is the Indian land.
Yeah,
So there is different. What do you want to say?
yeah, that's Cookie land. Cookie land doesn't mean cookies are sovereign. They are asking for
Cookie land
sovereignty.
means, Cookie land means
Cookie land means the land of the cookies. Nagaland, the land of the Nagas. Cookie land is the land of the Nagas.
but there is no such a place like a Cookie land.
Yeah, it's not a place, but it's a term to signify the land belongs to the cookies
Okay.
under the framework of the Constitution of India. What's wrong? We are not asking for sovereignty. We are part of the India. In India, we have fought for independence of India. Anglo-Cookie War 1917-19, and also we were part of Subhash Chandra Bose.
Is there any
through
demand
INA.
of Cookie land, or you are saying that it's a land of Cookie? How can you say?
It's a land of the cookies.
But
and
do you think that it's a land of Manipur?
no, yeah, it might be Manipur, but we are asking for separate administration.
It might be not. It is in Manipur.
Yeah, it is in Manipur, but we don't belong to Manipur anymore.
You want a separate Cookie land?
Yeah, separate cookie land,
But some
separate
people-
administration.
Separate administration is a different thing. You are
Yeah,
demanding now the separate.
let's say it's UT, Cookie land UT,
Okay.
Delhi UT,
You want
Pondicherry UT.
Okay.
Yes, Cookie land UT.
okay.
UT
You-
with
it's a
Union
upgra-
Territory.
It's a upgradation of demand. But the
No,
last
it's not
time, last time you are demanding the separate administration. Now
A
you are.
separate administration in the form of UT, to be specific, Puducherry format. 239A article of the
But
Constitution
the
of India.
people from the Meitei community saying that there is some illegal immigrants activities. That's why the problem is there. Some drones.
That's all sort of allegations. That's unfounded, unconclusive. It's totally out of all sort of allegations.
But some drone attack is there. You heard the drone attacks. Oh, who did it?
Yeah, I don't know. Drone attack. Yeah, I'm
It's
sure.
a- it's a big news. It's a
yeah,
big
I know very well that the Meiteis launched a drone.
Meitei launched
they
in
have
May
sophisticated
or-
weapons.
Okay.
They have very sophisticated weapons.
But the
See, 7,000 arms looted. Over 5-6 lakhs ammunitions are looted. Not even looted. It's handed over. Handed over. Someone handed over. Who's that? Someone? CM Biren. He's the one who handed
your
over.
allegation on CM Biren.
It's not allegation. It's fact.
It's fact.
Yeah.
But there is some news demanding the suspension of operations is there already. The gun has been down.
Yeah.
But after the suspension of operations, all the violent activities going on.
No.
What do you think about the violent
No,
activities?
the suspension of operation
There are
parties.
some elements or not?
No. The suspension. The suspension of operation parties. They remain intact in their designated camp. Now, all that fort given is from the part of volunteers. It's purely village volunteers, not single
You are saying that they are the village volunteer.
village volunteers.
They
Purely.
have the sophisticated weapons.
No sophisticated weapons. It's handmade
Handmade?
weapons. Yeah,
Handmade weapons.
yeah.
Such
Handmade
kind of
weapons.
things. Such
Yeah.
kind of things exist in India. Handmade weapons. It's illegal, na?
No, it's not illegal. It's for defense.
It's for.
If I attack you,
Huh.
what will you do? You will also
What
try
will-
to kill me.
What will government do? If you have your own weapon, somebody have their own weapon. Then what is the role of the government?
Yeah, the government has to intervene.
Hmm.
Now, so far it's been over 19 months. What the center is doing, it's doing nothing at
There
all.
is one more.
It has to interfere
Okay.
or intervene. It has to intervene and look out for a political solution. Without
What kind of political solution?
Yeah, that's what I have been saying.
Somebody saying separate administration. You are saying the cookie land.
Yeah,
UT.
see.
You are demanding UT.
Sir,
Somebody wants a
you
new
don't-
country.
You don't understand the constitution of India properly. You go through constitution and
Yeah.
come to the protest and do interview to the people protesting here.
You are.
So let me see.
You can
See.
raise your voice.
Yeah,
no
we
problem.
have 239A article of the Constitution of India, under which we
But
can.
haven't heard that word in Constitution cookie land.
Yeah, it's not there.
Huh.
But we are demanding for that.
You are demanding.
Yeah, we are
But
demanding.
it's a new demand, I think so, because
See, if the center is in a position to grant you UT, there must be a prefix before UT. What that would be? Will it be Manipur Union Territory? No, it has to be something. That's cookie land, not other than that.
Sir, there is one more allegation on cookie communities from the behalf of Metai or some
Yeah.
other. The poppy cultivation is the major factor due to that.
Yeah.
The violence is going on. What do you think about the poppy cultivation?
Yeah, poppy cultivation, it's not the main cause of this problem.
It-
The
it is-
problem,
it
the
is-
problem. It's
it-
just allegation.
No, it
Sir?
is one of the cause. It is not the main cause, but it is one of the cause.
One
na?
of the causes, but it's not the primary
the
cause.
deforestation is going there, na?
Yeah.
Deforestation is.
It's our land. It's not the land of the Meiteis. It's
No,
our land. It's tribal land.
It's,
See, there is
it's
a
the land of the
ulterior-
citizens of India, na?
See, it's ulterior motive behind this.
Hmm.
Under Manipur Land Reforms and
Hmm.
Land Revenue Act 1960, the Meiteis, they cannot encroach upon the tribal land.
Hmm.
So they are trying their best to.
You are saying that
to
Meta is approaching the tribal land,
encroaching, not only approaching, it
but they are
encroached.
in Imphal.
Yeah.
90% land belongs to the
Yeah.
different tribal community.
90
It belongs to Naga. It belongs to
Yeah,
Kuki.
90% of
But what is the
90%.
problem? You have the 90%,
See.
or you are saying
90% of the 90%, it's not usable. It's
Okay.
not cultivable. But whatever land, say 10% in the valley areas, all are fertile areas.
you have
Whatever, see,
Mm.
fertile, unfertile, that's different thing. We have a very stringent law, Manipur Land Reform and Land Reforms Act 1960, under which,
Do you have any map of cookie land? What kind of
yeah, we have even before independence of India.
Then you are saying cookie land. Then the Naga is raising. Naga is opposing you because why cookie land? Naga is also there.
There's interpretation. There could be interpretation. One interpretation could be cookie land of sovereign one.
There are
And, the
several
cookie land-
communities. Several
Yeah.
communities all are demanding their land. What
Let
will
them-
happen?
Yeah, let them
Then
demand. It's their constitutional
Manipur,
right.
it's a very small state, and you will peace.
It's not about size. It's about the indigenous people who stay there. We have the right. We have
who will decide? Indigenous people. All the people are indigenous. I think so.
indigenous.
All the people indigenous.
Yeah, we
Metai have their own history. You
Indigeneity-
have your own history, but you can't say that they are not indigenous. You are indigenous.
Indigeneity-
Some people saying you are come from the Israel.
Indigeneity with different set of culture.
Okay.
We don't have common culture.
So government will protect all of them, na?
All of them we have to be
You are demanding
protected.
a cookie land.
Yeah.
It means that other people where
Let them demand. It's their constitutional right. Let them demand whatever
Okay.
they want.
Okay, everybody demand for their
Let
land.
them demand. If genuine, the center has to grant it.
So you are saying if the demand, demand is genuine, then the center will grant.
Yeah, if genuine.
It's the decision of the center.
Yeah, it's a decision
Or
of the center.
you have to agree.
Yeah, let them grant
There
them.
is no violence. You are saying.
Yeah, We have Article 3 of the
But
Constitution
what
of
kind
India.
of there are different incidents happens in the Manipur, the violence, the suspension of operation. You already know.
Yeah.
The suspension. Why the suspension of operation?
Why was Subhash Chandra Bose fighting for India? What did he
They are
say?
the Subhash Chandra
What
Bose.
was his statement?
Uh,
Give me blood, I will give you freedom. If
So
anyone,
what kind of freedom? Freedom from India?
yeah, freedom from the clutch of the Meiteis.
You are saying the freedom from India.
No, free from.
Meta is not in hill area. Meta
Yeah.
is not in
Yeah.
hill area. Hill area is yours.
Out of 60 MLA legislative assembly,
Hmm.
60% the Meiteis,
Hmm.
10 only the cookies.
Okay.
See how politically we have been.
You can demand the more seats for you. You can demand the more seats. You are now saying sometimes ago you are saying that the separate administration. Now you are saying the Cookie Land.
We have history.
Cookie Land is destroying. Where is Cookie Land?
See, we have a
Cookie
history.
Land is does not exist now. Cookie Land does not exist now. It's a term used by the Meitei, and now you are saying that Meitei is alligating every time that
See.
you are demanding the Cookie Land. Now you are saying
Listen to me, please.
okay. You can.
We have a history of demanding for the implementation of Article 371C. Over 30-40 years, we have been demanding for effective
That is a different
implementation.
thing.
But
Definitely.
it's not been implemented.
That is
Had it been implemented, this situation would not have been transpired this far. So, the best thing to get away from the clutch of the Meiteis, majoritarian government, is to demand for a separate administration in the form of UT of judiciary format.
You are saying that the separate administration, the name of the particular area will be Cookie Land.
Yeah.
You are saying.
Cookie Land, yeah, it has to be Cookie Land. What else? Has it to be Bharat UT or Manipuri UT or what else would it be, you think?
When you think about the UT, the central will govern
Yeah, it has to govern directly from the center.
center.
Now, we have been suppressed for the last 40 years now by the majoritarian Meiteis.
You believe in central?
Yeah, we believe in center.
You believe in Modi?
Not a single belief we are pinning on the state. Now our hope pins now on the center. Unless the center intervenes, we are gone.
Can the extremist people down their guns? Because
So
every
long,
time
that's good question.
Uh.
So long as
I'm not saying about the Cookie and Meitei. I'm saying
see,
the
yeah.
extremist
Yeah.
people is all over there.
Yeah.
They are
So long,
they are killing the people, innocent people, even from Cookie communities, even from Meitei communities. All are killing.
So
Even
long,
women's,
so long,
children's.
so long as the private militia of CM Biren, which you call Arambai Tengol, so long as they hold,
they are saying Cookie militant. You are saying CM Viren militia.
yeah, they are the private militia, Arambai Tengol. As long as they are holding their guns, we have to hold the
It means
whatever.
It means you
traditional
both have
guns that
their
we
own. It means you both have your own argument that they have the gun. That's why we have the gun.
See,
Nobody will believe in the.
you have good knowledge that they have looted 7,000 arms, over 5-6 lakhs ammunition. It's the state.
There is some news. Is it true or not? It is depend on the perception. But there is some news that the in the Cookie areas they have the mortars, they have the rocket launchers, they have the drones. We have these news from the newspapers and media.
Yeah.
What would you like to say about this?
So far, I'm not aware whether we have drone or not, but I'm aware that we have
Some weapons.
cannon. You know cannon?
You
Yeah, that's traditional made cannon.
okay? Cannon.
That's cannon.
You
yeah.
have a cannon.
Yeah, cannon. That's the best ever machine or guns that we can manufacture.
What
So,
will you do with these weapons?
yeah, it's very explosive and see, it has a very good historical significance. Even with this traditional gun, more than 100 years ago, 1917, 1919, with this machine, with this gun, we fought against the British. Just think of
No,
a tribal.
that is the history, na?
Yeah, we have. Now we have.
In India, in Delhi, we don't have gun.
Yeah,
Why you have gun?
Because
Why the-
Dharambai Tangors, they
Okay.
shoot at us. See, do you ever see a Cookie volunteer dying in the land of the Meiteis? No.
Yes.
No. And
Several incidents is there.
that's innocent women only you will see in Imphal Valley. They were killed. But you will see a lot of Rambai Tengol volunteers dying in the land of the cookies. That means they
They
encroach.
are alleging that you kidnap them and kill their.
Never at all, yeah. You come and see inside the land of the cookies.
But that is the hill area. Why they came here?
Yeah,
Why
they encroach,
came here?
they encroach the land. That's why we shoot in defense of our land.
You are talking about the Churchanpur.
Not only Churachandpur, Kangpokpi, More, Tingnopal, Chandel, everywhere, wherever the cookies are there.
One more and last question. You have admitted that there is some poppy cultivation, illegal poppy cultivation.
I don't admit. I am not aware. I have been here for the last 5 years ago. I have not been to there.
You are saying that
village.
there is no poppy cultivation?
I don't say it's not there, but I'm not aware.
Not aware.
Yeah, I'm a student here. I'm deeply committed to my study.
So you are not aware.
I'm not
Or
aware at
you are
all.
raising the issue.
I'm not raising the issue.
You are not aware. You are raising the issue.
No, it's not about poppy cultivation that we are raising. We are raising about the issue of land.
You are saying that destroy cookie land.
Yeah, they destroy cookie land. They are trying to
It
encroach.
may be meaningful that destroys cookies community, but you are saying that destroys.
You should be aware that we have good natural resources. That's the reason they are trying to exploit the land. Not only the natural resources like trees,
But
stones.
at the legal term, they cannot take your land.
Yeah, they cannot take so.
So
to
who
take-
will
see,
who is destroying now?
to be in a position to take their lands, they are demanding for ST status.
Okay,
That's the main position. That's the primary. That's the immediate cause.
you are saying that third of I think May.
Yeah, that's the primary cause for demanding ST status. There was even
Then it was your march, nah? It was not the Metai march.
yeah, it was our march.
Your march
Tribal
and-
solidarity in collaboration with the fellow Naga tribals. Unfortunately,
Who is responsible that violence? Who was responsible?
They
That was-
were
that
the
was
one.
That was your march. You are admitting.
yeah, they are the pride of the Kuki people is the centenary gate of the war that I mentioned. Anglo Kuki War Centenary
But
Gate.
that is your area.
Yeah, this is our pride symbol.
No, that
But
is your area.
on the 3rd of May,
You know.
the Meitei miscreants, they came and burned that gate.
that is cookie majority area.
Yeah.
You are saying that
Yeah.
in cookie majority area.
They sneak into our land. We never anticipated of any Meitei coming into or sneaking into our land. But unfortunately, some miscreants of the Meiteis, they sneak into our land and burn the pride, the symbol, the pride of the cookies. That's,
Is there any way by which this violence can stop? Is there any way?
Yeah.
Cookie land is the different thing. But before the cookie land, because it's a legal process, you're demanding the cookie land. It's a long legal process you want cookie land.
Yeah.
But the violence has been stopped. Any way, anything, what government will do?
the most viable solution. This is my message to the center that they should intervene. You are late, but better late than never to intervene and come out with a political justice for the Kuki people.
Is it your warning to the government or it is the appeal?
It's my appeal.
Okay.
It's my appeal to the center.
Okay.
Until and unless the political condition of the cookies are solved, the so-called Act East policy, it won't be implemented. See, it's inhabited by the Kuki people. Unless they
No,
are
you are not saying that it's inhabited by only cookie. It's lot of
but the transborder areas, More, Manipur and Myanmar, the transborder areas is mainly inhabited by the Kuki.
So you are saying that in Myanmar also cookie is there.
Yeah.
In the border area, cookie is there.
yeah, sure.
Then you want
Both sides.
You want the porous border. You want the border free.
We are not talking about border issue. I'm talking about the business project of the government of India, which is Act East policy.
You are saying that the open area should be there. Then people can go from this side to that side
It's not-
without any permit.
I don't assume that thing at all. I mean is what my appeal to the center is to
You are the student.
yeah, you am a student.
You have deeper knowledge of the subject.
Yeah, I have.
You are true in your word.
Yeah, I'm true.
But don't hide anything about
I'm
it.
not hiding.
If your community do something wrong, you will oppose. Your
Yeah, if it's against
the nation.
yeah, against the nation, I have to oppose.
That's it.
Yeah, unless it is genuine.
You prefer between the community and nation. What will you prefer?
Nation always first.
Okay.
Second cookies.
Second.
Third, fourth, fifth, make this.
साफ साफ कह रहे हैं कि भाई नेशन फर्स्ट है, देश पहले है, कम्युनिटी बाद में है। लेकिन बहुत सारी बातों पर इन्होंने स्पष्ट तरीके से जवाब दिया। स्टूडेंट्स के लीडर्स हैं, बहुत अच्छी तरह से जवाब दिया। लेकिन कुछ बातों पर इन्होंने कहा कि मुझे पता नहीं। जब मैंने पॉपी कल्टीवेशन की बात की तो शायद इनको उसकी जानकारी नहीं थी। जब मैंने सस्पेंशन ऑफ ऑपरेशन की बात की तो उस पर भी इन्होंने स्पष्ट जवाब नहीं दिया। इन्होंने कुकी लैंड की बात की, कुकी लैंड डिस्ट्रॉय हो रहा है, लेकिन मेरा सवाल था कि कुकी लैंड जैसी चीज तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती, मणिपुर एग्जिस्ट करता है। तब इन्होंने कहा वो हमारी डिमांड है, सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की डिमांड है और उसको जो हम टर्म देंगे वो कुकी लैंड देंगे। अब देखना ये होगा कि कैसे शांति स्थापित होती है। सीनियर लीडर हैं स्टूडेंट्स के, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि ये बड़ा मुश्किल हालात हो रहे हैं, जाने जा रही हैं, दोनों तरफ से जाने जा रही हैं और ये रुकना चाहिए। अब ये कम्युनिटी कब समझती है, हर कम्युनिटी दूसरे की गलती बता रही है, लेकिन खुद अपने गिरेबान में कब झांकेंगे, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। देखते रहिए मिनी सनसेट। धन्यवाद।
Anlui po hitin video coverage ki bol na hin itu se ukiza hi zongle demonstration hi bol hi. I think it's a strong message. Pati ta plakat toy hoten pati dom min lang ipihilay ki pa na divin pastor thongamin sipat na taunay man pile tingin time tauna kan man oh
Follow people, hindi hapin ng bana pakay kapatid. Kuni kung saan ni som ni na iko masakin ahiin ahilla ilama nasupi ko kanaw tiyo ko nagamu malaysia do nanamu ni noy sina ay law la hita banga pakay nagam tiyo ko dandi law ta ay tilapi ko diba kitay kahap na le hita banga chu dandi law ta ay kibol na tiyo ko ay kibol na tiyo ko ay kikap na tiyo ko ay law le kita banggan thay na ha sa nakapo tiyo ho hi duni ni ko in chalai gi hi ko pia kaso tiyo ho in zon kaso tiyo ho gan thay na ka na hi so tiyo ho hi ka he ma ka mu ta ko na ka mu nei pen ni chalai gan thay man ta na hi kalin han pi ba ati se na dunia til so ho hi ki phin na ka nei ho hi to kai ka chu ba thu nei ba hom ho in ai hen ki ba lu sin na nei lu na ai nei ki ba ka chu chang wa ku ta ki ba ho ei ki ba ba kai chalai mo na hi kalin mo ko na kana sit na ka ki phin na ba sa na hung phon ka hi len ba kai akhala hung ka hi po be ka bo ho hi ipi bola hung ka hi ham ipi ja hung ka hi ham ipi dinga hung ka hi ham ti ga ka gel do wa dunia ka so pi ho po na nei pu ma ka hung na hi nang man haga nang manay hat form TV lang kabol zo si mi pakai mi tia hot ahead of pakai kapatid ka gante na kahasat na wa ko na pakai ka kido do na wa hiya ka kile do na ai hina ding patay na bo pevil lang kapat ya ho hin ke ho zo si nang mako nang kilhana asungla po ai suboy the nang manay chong phan do wa kabol ka to zo si nang malopi na hung sang tan tia na pan pin na kitopi na ngai sa thangwa to ti santingan la to pakai Jesus Christ amen na ka taw amen.
May in kulangain mo na ni jingkalin ha halbidan sibang damahi halbidan dapat po ba pon zangum law ganito nga interview ang tinamudi ulit na pon siling zangum law ne ding zangum law nila igamle inam hu na ding nga panala uwa si pay hoto kidinte ba atista na nai kayo ba isan gay kamli sana to ham imuso gay tunin sila ya ihon mundong si ahi ki the thanga ki bola hin ai wangin thom chai ki thom win thom chai ki thom jong lew han lung neo ko hitin dani munna moni bol theu tu pi ham ti ai le at least right ahi ki voice ube hi central ai lo le government central government nei za pi wa media khat de nei za pi wa ki thogim na ho mi dang nei za pi ju ham tiang ki khom ho hin na ki pale than no mang ki khom mi povin i so pi ho nu te ho no mai te ho na thogim no ho zo si tho ho di nga hu ngai win cha nui po hite ka tino me ang nui sangin mai thai nu pi ho ban mai ra pai pi ho jang minit khat ka thai jing wala kap jong ka thai jing ha ka tino me minna ma sanga ka bung te ka bol thu jong ha hi po iwa nga isungo wa ko ni hin tu ni ai na ipo na pau chu ta sa chunga tu ni hin hi bang phal bi da ma jacket thum ka kya he ong kem jong hichiwa avun ko hen una amit changpot tu a ti san nai kai poya hal bidak tu a gamna lam hu na dinga pang ho ku tu ni hon jong ani tho hu te katin aban hi silung tu te lam kai hon bol thaya hung ki bol hin permission jong ki mulo het so ke win de a chu formalities tam so ke hin tho do si to ki zui lo wa hi le sida dia ki hu ji na ai pi jong le pathin ni lung si no win bol mo mai bol hi jong le pathin ni lung si no win nam kai te lung ai lo le se pai lam kai te lung hin hang mu win minute som tum ding nga chilai ki khop na chu mu ba hin ki lung to te in ani pang kom ki no hitin ilung nup mo na oni so ki no te ti tu no ho do te kan te na ni ong ipi jong le ibol thai tanu chu ki ham ki ai le hilai dili mo nam ho na tong ke poi na tong lo ke poi mo nam ke poi student ke pon smartphone ni choi so Kevin media be in ha nu se ka tino me itinga report khat bol le jong khang ki ham media hol sun le dana mulo hela aboi piu ku tu ne ai memorandum ki janu ki zi ong me he khat tu ni police station a dinga le ni me za ti mu ba zan aboi pe na line khat le kha ji ding jong ki mo zo lo so lam kai on ni chang dia chu ha sa tho so ong dan ha memorandum ji ding ha chang dia ka boi ham ki boi so agi sai do se i daw itinga nam le gam nan nam hi ding phan lo hin khat za iki ko do do di lo ham ka ti tu ni wang ka ti nan plan na azano mi long ja on ja da mu ja han ko koi den ham lo si le ka ti mi so ke le ka tim lo chang khat sa sai thai lo koi ma chai hu ko be ni thai so ke hu hin til ring boarding to ding ki ti phan lo le ki ding na ki mu do di lo ham ka ti kita sab to wit te ka ti tu min jong ong lam kai hon ain bor ho zo si hi mi do si lam kai thai poi ke jong lam kai ti dan hin ka hin di poi ka sai pe poi ka bol pe poi na lu nu mo na ka sai tau tam tam di ne ki jong le bol mo bol phya om lo ti ngom lo na so go ki bang si ta bang na ti ta ki mo ki boy ho mu le a bol mo sa ki bol lam kai ho hi nei to khot lo vai le hi sa ka hi le okay Papa không làm nó sẽ bên trên hồ sao không làm sao đâu đấy không
Karam lo ya boy ne je boy ne si ki na ti le tu ni hang ki khop lo na hi 23 ni ha pa na sai ball post number 1 mai thai ten attack a ball jingo a ball zo lo phar wa biren singen ki chim le a CRPF to BSF ale Central Force man cha ki na post number 1 he lo te tere tio he ale anang thai de pen chu nu te hi ji chun chan ge ham kanin anangun hi chun ma sang chun alo ta we post number 1 chu alo ta we hi chu kui phat sa lo ham kin nang lo ani lo he ji chun volunteer so so allah si ta we adal ha ta we sam khat jen pi hi Central Force so an lo ta we ne he sam khat chun ai ki le ho ki no nai le ano do ta we ano do zo wa pa na hi hong ki boy pan tao hong ki no to ta nu te ho to ai le ang ki no to lai ka wa chu incident tam ta amen zan hi chan ge ya chu 41 ama changin 7 critical hi na hi chu ho di la chu mi khat chu amit zon a hi tai na isai wen in nu ten bon amit lang khat ato do ta hi le ei hoi pi hu wan na i pi bol be theu ham ki chu iki ge lo ngai na he enu ite wen thing hang ala song la thing la am ho dinga ajantar amantaro he na e ho hi nom ta laim vai hong he ya chu chi mi ho mo he thom ki sa za he na
hi jong le ahong chang chang hi long no tai bol deu koi ma cha anui lo deu ka sei ji banga video ya camera angle tam hi zen channel hong jam lo ting le nan nui na ki mo le na na ki de lo ding avi hon na mo le noi mo na chan deu he khat cha inui lo deu he hi ja chu illustration and demonstration ka ti ven chi hi tanok besa se siu hi illustration hi tai de moi bol deu ti pi ham a critical hola la chu bona ke bol zo lo he je chon amit to do nu a vei lang he chu de moi bol deu lang he ki khu deu ki pan deu he a chu ti le e ko ma to police ho he en cho he na he do he na ki cho sim ho ka tu ni ko media ya hoi be se pui media ko ve na ya chu lai political leaders ho bila galur khali jong le in langa imi isa te vin e gel do na ve capital om lo na om nai ti hi i hoa ko na motivation amu wa hi jong le ti chu izan ham kan thu sai he ya chu el net lo he le nui zat pi jong na nui lo he la in a ball de he a minit som tum mit lang khat mulwa em deu he en ino he awang se na he la a hen khwa mu lo de tai hi chu koi de nga hap enam pi e gam ina ma de nga a hen tho api mai thei ju ke na lo he na amit wang ja pi a hi tai na he se chon long se tan minit som thum lai i thum do jong he e ki pa deu pa thian thang wa do he na hi chu mang cha chi de mo chon na sa ta ina den pi do hen ta ta hi kun thu se ya kun la sa ti thei lo he minit som thum he bol thei dan dan in he tin bol lo tin am zo teng le khal bia guju nya ki zot bang wa chu he lai ka hi ki zot kit wa na i chai kon teng le like 25 minutes 3:30 ke pe hi in 2:25 vel le dingo hi tin ke dai ki zot do do he a to in langa noi te lam kai ten ke ho
nung kito te inin zo pat le kia to lang ako na so kan hong
Bukan mana
abin ko mai mi lang ako jong le kinung to te isa kan to mo bot ni ko mo te kan kalgo tu này chứ không đâu heri dân hết đâu chứ na
Sila bolang mo kami ngayon logan sa mo na kung dinggo plakat soy bilang na kailangan kung dinggo
Saka to update loy ko.
lungai plakat
dekat dikega
slogan na sa mutiyo nasa tinda ba slogan to CRPF BSF Katile serve with honor not horror Natido ya serve with honor not horror Ito katna Anina CRPF and BSF Katile we need protectors not predators we need protectors not predators
Plakat
Yes.
mo.
Ano pang tayo?
Ito.
CRPF, BSF!
Ito niya. Ito.
Serve with honor, not horror. Kita mo? CRPF and BSF! Serve with honor, not horror! CRPF and BSF! Serve with honor, not horror! CRPF and BSF! Serve with honor, not horror! We need protectors,
Plakat
not
sa itin.
predators, okay? CRPF and BSF!
We need protectors, not predators.
CRPF and BSF!
We need protectors, not predators.
CRPF and BSF!
We need protectors, not predators.
Our demand and our request to the
BSF, CRPF, katile down. Natili to. Yo tingle,
Ama sa amin ko lang.
we want katile
since May 2023.
separate administration. Kita na?
Ito. Plakat update mo Valentine. Ama sa nga.
We want
Sorry.
We want justice! We want justice! We want
Na plakat sa
justice! We want justice! We want justice!
Tungo.
People want justice! People want justice! People want justice! Who give people want justice! Separate administration!
Plakat dun
Who
tayo.
give people want
Separate administration.
Who give people want
Separate administration.
Plakat dun tayo.
Separate administration.
CRPF, BSF, down. CRPF, BSF,
Down.
CRPF, BSF,
Down.
CRPF, BSF,
Down.
CRPF, BSF.
Down.
Vale, begin.
Amo na.
CRPF, BSF, CRPF, BSF. Hindi yan sagutin. Hindi yan. Ano sagutin yan?
Nippy Hodo say Happy New Year. Bon Saturday. Happy New Year thì dong le ihet na lo ba. Ako tung kuya dunia sila hin ko ma do kegi. Bon sao tung la in la nga isopi at tong ha hon to. Imela u be mu han lang. Leo kha be mu dong le. Dam som in te ti ka gelin ki paun be se bin ki paun be se. Ki bon sao tung a ki pa tu ka hin ko ne. आज यहाँ पे हम लोग इमरजेंसी में यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं जो हमारे साथ मणिपुर में सेंटर फोर्स को हमने महिलाएं, बच्चे और मणिपुर का पूरा प्रजा को सुरक्षित करने के लिए वहाँ पे जो रह रही है सेंटर फोर्स, स्पेशली सीआरपीएफ एंड बीएसएफ जो अभी वहाँ पे हुआ है औरत के साथ जो हुआ है 40 से ज्यादा औरत घायल हो चुकी है और किसी औरत की आंख फोड़ी गई है। अभी ध्यान से मीडिया देखिए, यहाँ पे हमने जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन किया है, एक आंख जो बंद किया है क्योंकि हम वहाँ पे एक महिला का पूरा आंखें तोड़ दी गई है, खोल दी गई है और किसी के हाथ टूटी है, किसी के पैर टूटी है और वो कहाँ से जंगल है वहाँ पे एक हॉस्पिटल पहुँचने के लिए कम से कम 40 किलोमीटर की दूर है। वहाँ पे कोई मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज नहीं है, कोई हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज नहीं है, प्रॉपर का फर्स्ट एड भी नहीं है। वहाँ पे 40 से ज्यादा औरत घायल होके वहाँ पे इतनी ठंड में, आज कितनी ठंड है हम जानते हैं, जनवरी 1 तारीख को कितनी ठंड होता है, दिल्ली से भी ज्यादा वहाँ पे पहाड़ में बहुत ज्यादा ठंड होती है और वहाँ पे इतने सारे घायल औरत को प्रॉपर मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज भी नहीं है। हम कुकी जो ट्राइबल्स के लिए वहाँ पे कोई फैसिलिटीज नहीं है क्योंकि मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट नाम का गवर्नमेंट है, वहाँ पे हम लोग किसी भी एक दवाई भी नहीं मिलता है इम्फाल से, एक कुछ भी नहीं आता है वहाँ से, इम्फाल से भीड़ की तरफ से। और इतनी घायल महिलाएं को अपना दर्द सह के वहाँ पे रो रही है, कोई मर रही है, हम यहाँ पे बैठ ही नहीं सकते। अब कोई सोचे कि यहाँ पे किसी ने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन करके किसी ने इतने लोग को इकट्ठे किया, किसी ने नहीं बुलाया, इन सबको किसी ने नहीं बुलाया। हम अपना दुख दर्द यहाँ पे जंतर मंतर एक राइट प्लेस है, हम जहाँ पे हमारे साथ जो ह्यूमन राइट्स वायलेशन होता है इसलिए हम यहाँ पे आया है। सबने न्यू ईयर प्रोग्राम के लिए सबने प्रोग्राम मनाया है। आज हमारे लिए उससे ज्यादा वहाँ पे जो घायल महिलाएं हैं उन पे अपना दुख दर्द उन पे बांटने के लिए यहाँ पे आए हैं। और जो सीआरपीएफ ध्यान से सुने, सीआरपीएफ बीएसएफ वहाँ पे जो मौजूद सीआरपीएफ बीएसएफ, मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ आप लोग को, हमारे जहाँ पे हंगामा हो रहा है वहाँ का मामला सुलझाने के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने भेजा है। तो साफ साफ वीडियो में दिखाई देता है औरत का ऊपर जानबूझ के टीयर गैस उनकी आंखों में मारता है, उनके हाथ पैर डंडा से तोड़ी जाता है। ये कोई सेंटर फोर्स का काम है ऐसा करना। मैं किसी को दोषी तो नहीं ठहराना चाहूंगी, मगर जबकि महिला मैत्री वुमेन से उनकी हथियार भी छीना, उनको क्या नहीं किया, तब भी वो चुपचाप खड़े थे। वहाँ पे हमारी लैंड को, हमारी जगह को, हमारे लैंड को बाय फोर्स अटैक करने के लिए मैत्री आए थे। वहाँ पे जो हंगामा की हुआ, जो महिलाएं हमारा लैंड को, हमारी जगह को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए जो चुपचाप खड़े थे, उनके पास देखे एक भी डंडे तक नहीं थे। वो महिलाएं के साथ, वो औरत के पास कोई लाठी भी नहीं थी, कोई डंडा नहीं थे, वो सिर्फ खड़े थे। उनको क्यों डंडा मारा, उनकी आंख में क्यों टीयर गैस मारा। और एक औरत का देखा है, एक औरत का सेंट्रल फोर्स ने एक औरत का कपड़ा पूरा फाड़ के भी रखा था। पूरा वीडियो में वायरल है ये सब वीडियो। और आज हम लोग यहाँ पे हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि पूरा बीएसएफ और पूरा सीआरपीएफ दोषी है, नहीं है। वहाँ पे जो किसी ने हुक्म चलाया है उन पे वही दोषी है। हम जानते हैं वहाँ का होम कौन है, मणिपुर का होम कौन है, नाम भी नहीं लेना चाहूंगी, सब जानते हैं। वहाँ पे जिसने आदेश दिया है उस पे आरोप है। आज ऐसे महिलाएं के साथ इंडिया में औरतें को, महिलाएं को देवी माना जाता है। मणिपुर में कुकी जो ट्राइबल महिलाएं के साथ आज तक जो भी हुआ है, सही कह सकते हैं हम लोग? बिल्कुल नहीं कह सकते हैं। तो मैं महिलाओं के ऊपर महिलाओं के ऊपर हमला करना बंद करो, कुकी जो ट्राइबल वुमेन, ट्राइबल महिलाएं के साथ हंगामा करना बंद करो। सीआरपीएफ बीएसएफ कुकी जो महिलाएं के साथ अत्याचार करना बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो। कुकी जो महिलाएं के आंखें वापस दो नंदी हो ये कुकी जो ट्राइबल महिलाएं के आंखें जो छीन ली गई वापस दो, कुकी जो महिलाएं के आंखें छीन ली गई सीआरपीएफ और बीएसएफ ने वापस दो, इंसानियत का कातिल करना बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो। इंसानियत का पावर को गलत इस्तेमाल करना बंद करो। पावर को गलत इस्तेमाल करना बंद करो। पावर को गलत इस्तेमाल करना बंद करो। क्योंकि जो महिला की आंखें छीन दी गई वापस दो। क्योंकि जो महिला की आंखें छीन ली गई वापस दो। इंसानियत का मणिपुर में क्योंकि जो ट्राइबल्स एरिया में इंसानियत का कातिल करना बंद करो। क्योंकि जो महिलाएं के साथ अत्याचार करना बंद करो। क्योंकि जो महिलाएं के कपड़े फाड़ना बंद करो।
इस तरह से ये देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर
Kipamin, lucong ama he thi dinganan se chu lucunga kipana sang ta kan pongin tuin english sak kom sak anak sab beutin chu ting la chelai hi jo se ma na chu line is diu lume pasal line is diu rauna kip cha da plaka ro chu chu slogan ng sak thi ni sak diu hi chu sa tin tun we want katila separate administration nati diu no separate administration atila no rest tumbe de isa diu ha ino gam alle we want we want we want we want no separate administration 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 we want we want we want we demand katila justice we demand we demand we demand we demand we demand BSF CRPF down 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 tun si ma bangin lukset tain corner rachun chi thei tia chi bin line si motin plaka do motu chilai raw ai chi bin lukset tain minute na bo yeng bin is chu aning zone bin lang line si loi chalutin plaka choi hon phatachar hingom bin lang slogan in sab pe do hai case of volunteers on lukset tain line chu luti hon kan team agan team pe rasik divin selfie line is simple khale ai hon line simple line simple hoi line ni song le kichlang se chot nai lu langang thana chip jeng theng chu rong ai dio ni to mobile line tum se
मेरे कृष्णा तो
line मारो जल्दी से प्लीज तुरंत फटाफट line मारो aning zone te aning te perin chute among yere lobjen aning lamabun hin ga open you please move to the corner la chibin lang slogan ni sambote okay CRPF BSF ka tiye serve with honor not horror intigo ko CRPF BSF CRPF BSF CRPF BSF CRPF BSF demand Catholic justice. We demand. 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 Cookie people demand. Cookie people demand. Cookie people demand. We want separate administration. We want. 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 No separate administration. No separate administration. Plakat gomelang
alin pian chu ama sanga chi le ama sanga chi le ulu alin pian hi ama sanga chi ha ni de ho
We want. We want. We want. We want. We want. We demand. 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 We demand.
kain la tu zur
We demand. No separate administration. 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 No separate administration.
ama sanga
No separate administration. We want. 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 CRPF, PSF, we need protectors, not predators. CRPF, PSF. CRPF, PSF, we need protectors, not predators. CRPF, PSF. CRPF, PSF, down, down, down. CRPF, PSF. 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 We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. No separate administration. No race. No separate administration. No race. No separate administration. No race.
Niti ho hong kishin nai tau vo please. Hong kishin nai tau vo. Iki sin pun tu min jong samote.
cái thì nó phải điều bằng trong mà biết cái nó sáng ấy
At jom cha hi jong le loring se la ha sata in tilai mu na he police ho ka jalin hu ba ha sata permission ke la to a hi in ni pi ho zo se tu ni loring se la i pha de sai za lo ven pathe de kham ba o ven ang ho zo si tu nga belen ke pa tho i pho le bin tu nong tu ban jong le any time a in lang condition dong zuin hiti hin ke lung to ta in ready in on jing o ti ti ka hin sai do no a hin in langa a ki sufa a ki tong khan ke hon a bon chao in ka za na salute ka hin pi ve ลุงเนี้ยฮิวบินนัดดำดิมวะฮีอีกำยินมาดิงานนัดโถวะฮีนักฮอร์โมนจีอานักฮอร์มิดเรามิดมอนจีนักฮอร์กิดเราจะก่อยมันที่จะนักบอลวะฮีพูนอีกำยินนำดิงานัดที่สันนันายสันนับพลวะฮีนูเตหัวโจเสมุนกินาtu ni chan nagal ki patnya pana tu ni chan ge ya mun ge na nu te pan la ho zo se tu nga Delhi nu te hon KZWF women women le KSO in na chung che wa ki pa thu ka hin phong vin ka lai na naw ka dik dam naw ka po na naw ka bol thai su lo hi chan hi ka hin bo lo hi ka ki pa ve
ina ki khen diu hin chom cha slogan shouting chila protest ilung thai lo nai vet sa naw chu hi chana chi chai diu hin alang ka da achom ta ve tia lung thai lo zong sumi za za hin ki sulu da hong ki nga kaphat ki pia achom ba le tiu nong nei theu hi ki he the mo hi tin ichla hi permission praya kilalo hin ha se ha ngi na za la chu pha chom chai phal pi sunu ba chu ki bola hin ipuno so kebe pha sorry zong ne ipone nawe bet sa chu pi pe ne hin tu ni ki khen di vin dam sela in no ilun thing di vin palun jalen vice chairman KWSD amain ki khen na taw na amen pe vin ten I disperse di wetai kakipai
tao te ang ngai lo zum to kai pathin long sit ngai lo nazala ha sat na ka tho wang ba nang man nei pi ba ka chon phat na hil jong le ka kai nang ma long sit na nei chan jing ba ti chai ke thi ka hi ben aji chu koi man e vet nom po win koi man long sit ngai to khoto na e pi po win e jong le ni nga ka nang man na mi na koi ten e kho sa win in la thu nei bai hom ho phat thei na ai đâu lại gel kho na ka chan lo hi da pen khat hen hin da nang man zalin le se chung hin koi ma ka ki cha po ve nang man zalin kalung dong de po ve ka thi gam ke u jong le pa kai nang man sit na ka thi jong kho ka po ve je chun ala sam ha sa tho gan thei nu te ho thing la nga ne ding cha ding ke hol thu a ha sa na tam pi pu ma pa kai gam la go ve ho nang man aka now again thei now rasu me lo ding ze in ka ke pa min ka thang ba ni tu ni hin ka lai wa nan ai mo la ka mun building sei ding ang ka thei po vin kami te ho kalam kai te ho ka ger te mo le pa kai ke so na thing lung ban na thei ding ka nei po vin hi jong le nang ma na zin ka ke pa ve ze tun tu ni ka hong kho mun pai ma ta lung thai he lo he la pa nga nang ma ka nei po ba he pa kai kanung de ho nang ma nei pe tho tho di ze ka ki pa ni man ka thang ba na hi nang ma ta san cha te ka hi koi ma ta na no pe bol thei po vin te kalam kai hi dong le nang ma na nai ze tun tu nya hong ko no le pa hang tha te u si koi ma ta dong nya ma ki le ro ding ka chiu dong le ka gam la ka go hu na thi ding nang ma ta san na pu ma thi ding ka hi zi ka ki pa ve ha nei pe vin lung gen lik lo wa pang ding in tu ne hong kom chen dong nang man thak te ni bo in ki khan ning kai ta be pha tam jai ong le nei pe jem ki pa on ka ki khan nong teng long le neung ki vin lang ka tang cha tom na dong lung kham be se ro pa kai ka mas ma bol ding ki bo hang san ta bol ding in nei til fo di vin na ka taw ne hi ta ton sit no me ngai dom in nang ma lung sit na mel ni be ki rum ting ha kai pa kai Krista min ka ta be amen
Kom chakat Delhi police also ki pathu gase hoiten na Delhi police ka dil hai dhanyawad tidio thungai Delhi police dhanyawad 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 bahut dhanyawad thank you Delhi police for giving us this short time yet very significant one Lokar also lung sit time chilanga samir hoiten dam selin imun humuti kakipai
Amen. The ball hơi bị trống. Amen.